In today's video, we are finally doing a review of the entire Logitech G AURORA collection. So if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you might have seen me unboxing or talking about my first impressions of these products. But I've had this collection for about 2 months now. So today, let's get into whether I think it's actually worth your money or not, and whether these products are actually good long term. So first I want to say thank you so much to Logitech G for sponsoring today's video, and also for sending me the entire collection about 2 months ago now. Ever since I first saw this collection, I have been obsessed with it. So first, obviously, it is a beautiful collection, but I actually love how it's kind of like geared towards, or like more towards, the feminine audience, with its colors, its aesthetics, and actually the overall design of these products as well. Before I jump into it, if you are watching this video early, Logitech currently have their Logi Play Day sale, which is basically like their sale that they run once a year. I also have a Logitech G code, which I'll pop on the screen now, which you can use for an extra 10% off, and that just works all year round. So if you're ever buying anything from Logitech, make sure you use the code so you can get an extra 10% off. With that being said, let's get into the review. Okay, I'm gonna start with my favorite item in the whole collection. The first product we have is the G735 headset. So luckily, I actually have an unboxed version that I can actually show you so that you guys can also see and appreciate the packaging in this collection as well. The whole collection has this really iconic packaging. It's this kind of like pastel-y blue cloud themed packaging, which I think is so beautiful, and it actually gets better when you open it up. So they have continued the cloud theme within the box itself, which I think is super cool. We've got the cloud detail and design up here, and then all of the products also come with this really pretty kind of like little tissue paper. Anyways, now let's get back to the headset itself. So as you can tell, the headphones themselves are in this gorgeous white color, and they have kind of like some chrome detailing across. So as we extend them, you can see that it's got this kind of chrome detail in here, and then also the little Logitech G logos themselves are in this beautiful kind of mirrored chrome material. Now, the first thing I noticed when I took these out of the package is that they are super lightweight. So when I compare them, for example, to my Razer headset, these are just so light, and I think that's really nice for when you're wearing them long term. The actual kind of like cushions for the headsets are in this really nice plush material. I mean, as I push down, you guys can see how soft that is. So it feels really comfortable on your ear. Now, this headset has several connectivity options. First up, it's got Bluetooth, which is amazing because you can use it with your PC while you're gaming. You can also wear them to the gym, you can wear them on the train, you can wear them to go shopping, you can literally take them anywhere with you. They also come with a USB dongle as well, so you can connect them using a little USB. And they actually also have a little headphone jack as well, so you could use these in 3 ways, which I think is really awesome. Okay, additionally, it incorporates light sync technology, which means that they actually have these really cute lights on the side of the headphones. Only thing I will say is I can't seem to figure out how to turn the lights off, so I don't know if there is a way that you can turn them off, but I haven't been able to figure it out, and that definitely puts me off wearing these out. Like, I wouldn't want to be in the gym and light up headphones, you know, but to be fair, I wouldn't want to wear these to the gym anyway, just because I personally don't like wearing headphones in the gym. But yeah, that's definitely something to keep in mind, is that the lights are so pretty, really beautiful, but I don't know if there is a way to turn them off. And believe it or not, the headphones actually get better. I know. This is actually kind of a running theme with the whole collection, is that they do a bunch of really fun accessories that mean you can actually completely change the vibe of some of these products in like 2 seconds. So what I mean by that is that the actual headphones themselves, you can buy these little replaceable ear pads and also the boom mic, which means that you can take your headset from looking like this to looking like this, or looking like this. It is super easy to do. There you go, just like that. As you can see, we now have a pink headset. There's also one more very cute accessory that I'm going to show you in just a second. But before I do that, let's talk about the sound quality of these headphones. So do they actually sound any good? So I do really like the sound quality of these. The only thing I will say is that they don't have much noise cancelling on them at all. But then again, they don't really market these as noise cancelling, so there's no reason I should expect them to have noise cancelling. And then the last thing I will say about the sound on these is that it tends to bleed a lot. I'm actually going to see if I can show you. Okay, I've just opened up Spotify. I'm going to turn this up full volume. I hope you can hear that, but yeah, as you can see, they bleed a lot. So like, if you have your music on, whoever's in the room with you will 100% also hear your music. But overall, out of the whole collection, I would say that this is hands down the best product in the whole collection. I think these honestly Really, really, really good value for what they are. And oh my god, I just think they are the most adorable headphones I have ever seen. Again, if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you've seen this. This is the cutest little heart-shaped carry case that you can actually use to carry your headphones around with, keep them safe, keep them protected. It's even got a little spot for the Aurora mount. And then it's got a little section here where it's got a strap, so you can actually attach a strap and you could like wear it as like a little bag as well. Oh my god, I just think it's the cutest thing ever. Okay, now let's move on to the Logitech G715 keyboard. Okay, first things first, this is a mechanical keyboard. You can get it, I believe, either in a wireless version or a wired version. Now, I have the wireless version. Again, you can connect this either using Bluetooth or you can use the Lightspeed USB connection as well. I think both connections are absolutely amazing and lightning quick. Like, honestly, I've had no problems or issues with the connection. And not gonna lie, I do actually find Logitech's connection quite an issue sometimes. Like, I feel like every time I restart my MacBook, I have to constantly reconnect my devices. Even though you're not supposed to have to do that, that is something that I always find myself having to do, which is quite annoying. However, with this Logitech G collection, I haven't experienced that. I don't know if I'm doing something differently compared to what I usually do with my Logitech products, or if the software is a little bit different, but I have found that connectivity is really, really good and very, very responsive as well. Now, this keyboard is not hot swappable as far as I'm aware. However, the keycaps do come off. And I believe that they actually also sell pink or green keycaps for this keyboard as well. So if you wanted to customize your keyboard in that way, you definitely could. Another thing I love about this keyboard is that it has a little scrollable volume wheel, which is super useful. And it also has some really pretty dainty backlighting, which you can change the intensity of using this button up here. But the keyboard also has these little kickstands, which I really appreciate on a keyboard. And we also have some little volume controls up the top as well. But again, let's get to the most important part of the keyboard. What does it sound like? What do I think of the sound? Okay, let's do a little sound test now. So as you can hear, the keyboard is very clicky, but let's remember, this is Logitech G. This is Logitech gaming, so of course their keyboards are gonna be clicky keyboards. With that being said, as much as you might love this collection, if you are someone who's going to be using this keyboard for work and work only, like you're not gonna be using it for gaming, I'm not gonna lie, I don't recommend this keyboard. I find that after about an hour, the clicking starts to annoy me so much when I'm working. So for that reason, I would say that this keyboard is absolutely amazing. And it's like 9 out of 10 purely because it's not hot swappable for gamers. But if you're anyone who isn't a gamer, have a think about whether this clicking would start to annoy you throughout the day. Another alternative of Logitech's that I think is really nice for working. This is my favorite work keyboard. It's the Logitech MX Keys Mini. It's in this gorgeous blush pink color, which I feel like would go really nicely with this collection still and still look really, really cute. But yeah, in my opinion, this is a keyboard that's going to be a lot better for work because as you can hear, it's a lot quieter. Oh, and I so nearly forgot to show that it actually comes with this super cute cloud wrist rest. Again, this is in that really plushy material, kind of similar to the material that we've got on the little ear pads for the headphones. Yeah, this is a really nice addition to the keyboard. I'm not gonna lie to you guys though. Do I feel like this actually helps my wrists? No, I don't. I actually almost feel like sometimes it gets in the way, but let's be honest, it does look super cute, so I do still have it on my desk sometimes. And yeah, it's definitely better than having your hands on the actual desks. However, as far as wrist rest goes, there definitely are better options than this. My favourite alternative would obviously be the Delta Hub Carpio. I've used these for ages, and yeah, I do think these are like the best wrist rest, so maybe that's why I'm being a bit harsh towards this one. But yeah, let's be honest, like I said, it looks super cute, so I definitely still do use it every now and then. The actual build quality of the keyboard feels really nice. It's not too heavy, but it's also not like super lightweight, and it doesn't feel like really cheap plastic, which is really nice. Similar to the headset, you can also customize this keyboard as well. So again, we can make the keyboard pink or green. And I actually really wish they would introduce some extra colors because pink and green are kind of the only colorways available in the accessories, but I'd really like to see a blue or like a lilac. I think that would be so cute. But yeah, changing the top plates, as you can see, is literally as easy as just snapping them on and off. Yeah, as we were just talking about build quality, as you can see, I can literally turn it upside down, shake it, and that top plate doesn't really move and it does not come off. So yeah, the overall quality of these products is definitely worth the money, and it is super high quality for the money that you're paying. So yeah, 100% recommend this keyboard, but like I said, only for certain people. If you're someone who wants a keyboard for work, then no, I don't recommend this, and I just wouldn't recommend a clicky keyboard for you in general. But if you're like a gamer or someone who you just know that you do really enjoy clicky keyboards, yeah, get it. It's so pretty and it's a really nice quality keyboard, like I said. Okay, before we get onto the mouse, Logitech have just released a brand new product that goes so nicely with the Logitech Aurora collection, and it is their Logitech Yeti GX. And I know what you're thinking when I say that, Liv, the Yeti GX has been around for ages. It has been. However, they have just introduced it in this gorgeous new white colorway. I mean, can we appreciate again how beautiful is this, and how nicely does it fit in with the rest of the Aurora collection? The actual mic itself has really good mobility, so you can literally move it all the way around, and I think that's just really nice. Now, as much as I love this mic and I think it looks super cute and it goes with the rest of the collection really well, it sounds amazing. The only thing I will say is that when I was using it, I did find that I needed this quite close to me in order to pick up sound nicely. So just bear that in mind, that if you do like this mic and it's something that you'd be interested in investing your money in, then it definitely needs to be one that you're happy to have quite close to you. But I feel like that kind of goes for most mics anyway, so I don't know if that would be a deal breaker or not, but yeah. Having said all that, of course, you guys actually want to hear the mic yourself. Like, you want to hear what the mic sounds like. So I'm going to insert a little voiceover of me using the mic in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is a clip of me using the Logitech Yeti GX. I literally just have it plugged into my MacBook using an adapter, and I have set it up with the Logitech G Hub, so you'll have to let me know in the comments what you think. So that was a little sound test. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it sounds good? Do you think it sounds bad? And what do you think of this compared to the Blue Yeti? Do you guys prefer the Blue Yeti, or do you prefer the look of the Logitech Yeti GX? Okay, finally, let's move on to the mouse. I actually do not have the mouse to show you, so I'm going to insert a little picture of what the mouse looks like, and also any videos that I have as well of the mouse. So first of all, why do I not have the mouse anymore? Well, I actually decided to give it away in one of my giveaways because it's not that I didn't like the mouse, it just wasn't my favorite mouse ever, and I couldn't see myself using it very often, so I decided to give it away to one of you guys. Now I'm going to show you the reason that I would not have used that mouse on a regular basis, and it's because I own these. This is the Logitech Lift. This is the Logitech MX Master 3S. This mouse is just like unmatched. I'm probably going to do an updated desk setup tour soon, and I will talk more about this mouse and also this one in that video. However, yeah, because I love using these mice so much, there was just no way that I was ever going to use the Logitech Aurora mouse long term. Let me give you a few pros of the mouse. So the first one is, again, it's got that really cute, pretty, but really dainty backlighting, which I think is a really nice touch. The mouse itself is really small. Like, it's actually designed, I think, for female hands. Second of all, it glides really nicely on your desk. However, I have to say, yeah, I wasn't an overall fan of the kind of like circular look of the mouse. I do prefer a more streamlined look. I don't think any of that made sense. But yeah, basically overall, I didn't like the look of the mouse that much compared to the rest of the Aurora collection. And I didn't find it that comfortable to use for like long periods of time. It actually ended up hurting my wrists a lot. However, I do have really bad wrists, so that's why I'm really picky about what mice I use. So that is a complete review of the entire Logitech G Aurora collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any more questions about any of these comments, or you want to know anything else about using these products long term, then please drop them in the comments below, because yeah, I have been using them religiously for like the last 2 months, so I can answer any questions that you guys hopefully might have. Oh, also one more thing on the mouse, it's Bluetooth and also Lightning USB as well, so similar to the headset and the keyboard as well. Finally, just a reminder that Logitech G currently have their Logi Playday sale on, so if you're debating any of these products, definitely go and check out the sale. And if you stuck around until the end of the video, well, thank you, and I have a surprise for you. We are actually doing a giveaway for one of these mics, which I'm so happy about because I actually love doing giveaways with you guys. So the rules to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and reply to the pinned comment, and you will be automatically entered. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.